This demonstration will show you how to use your HUD. The basics of this demonstration will include selecting your character, rolling with your HUD, how to use the chat, titler, and repeater, as well as how to gain XP with your HUD. Once you've unpacked your HUD, you'll see that it comes with a titler and a HUD. You do not need to use the titler, but if you're going to use it, attach it now. After you've done that, add your HUD. You'll see that the HUD comes with 3 buttons, 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom. The left button is for rolling, the right button is for setting your character, and the bottom bar here, which is also a button, is for collecting XP. When you put on your HUD, if you only have 1 character registered, it'll automatically select that character for you. On this account, I have 2 characters. What I want to do is I want to select my character first. So I'll click the bottom right button, and you'll see that I have Test and Kulvo Thrinmar. I'll pick Kulvo Thrinmar as my character. You'll notice that the titler updates with this information, and the HUD gives you basic information about that character, including the XP that that character has available. The HUD will also update with information regarding the current weather. Now that I've set my character, I can begin rolling. So the first thing that I'll do is I'll click the rolling button, which is the bottom left button. When you click that button, the HUD will display your basic attributes. The category of attributes is displayed here at the bottom, and you can change that category with the left or right button here. For this character, my base strength is 4 out of 5. You'll see the base stat and then the number of points that you have in that stat. Below it is the button that you would click that would associate with that modifier or attribute with your roll. So in this case, what I want to do is I want to roll strength plus dexterity. So to do that, I click both the strength button, and you'll notice that the strength button causes the HUD to display strength in the bottom left, and then I'll add dexterity. And so now the current rolls that I have are strength and dexterity. I could add other rolls to my current roll, but what I'll do right now is I'll click the dice button, and that will roll for me. So what you'll see is I have 4 pips in strength and 4 in dexterity, and I also rolled a 9 out of 10 for my dice. All of that together gives me a roll of 17. When this happens, anyone within chat range will also be alerted to this fact, and their HUD will verify your roll for you, indicating them that it's a valid roll. So now that I've showed you rolling, I will show you how to use the titler and the repeater. The titler cannot be changed from the name of your character. However, you can use the chat repeater. So if I were to type 4 and any emote or any chat, I will then emote that information. So now that I've showed you how to use the chat repeater, I will show you how to collect XP. When you are able to collect XP, the bottom bar here will illuminate green. In order to collect XP, all that you need to do is you need to be in a roleplay area, and you need to be within chat range of another player that is also using the HUD. If they have the HUD on, all you need to do is click the button. It will automatically find anyone within chat range that is wearing the HUD, and it will return that information to the HUD, validate that with the server, and then collect the XP that you need for that current session. Once that XP is collected, the bar will illuminate red, and you'll no longer be able to collect XP for that period. When you're able to collect XP again, the bar will then illuminate green, and the HUD will let you know that it's time to collect XP. This concludes the demonstration of this HUD.